Alright, you guys, in TJ Maxx, look what we have. Harry Potter Loungefly backpack. This one's gonna be $50. Michael Kors $49.99 for $50. Kate Spade. Ooh, what is this? Oh, True Religion. 40, but a different one. I guess. It's pouring outside. We have some rain today, which is like so weird because like we didn't even get like a summer monsoon. Well, not where I live. It rained everywhere else except for my house. It like goes around. But today is non-stop pouring. A little bit of flooding. This is 40.
How many hours the power went out? Like 2 or 3?
Oh yeah, our power never goes out. And I have my kids like, the power's out. I'm like, oh, you should charge your phone last night. Not my problem. Okay, here's a Betsy Johnson. So we have the green one. We've seen the black one. Here we go. With the little skulls on it, 40. Here's Betsy Johnson. I love these suede ones. Okay, Steve Madden. I'm gonna kind of skip on Steve Madden just because I feel like we've seen it so much.
Back here, sorry.
Carl. There's another one. Betsy. And $80 right here. Oh, that's kind of cool. 25 House of Harlow. Did you see $30 for that one? So the blinged out, the beaded ones, that's 25. Nanette. Calvin Klein. The Aldo one. This is kind of cute. And again, with the Aldo, they had just little Aldo. Nothing like big if you don't like the big buckle. Here's one with the bear and like a clip. That's 40. Larger Juicy Couture. These are 40. They got pink and black. I've been loving these Steve Madden bags because they kind of they're Rebecca Minkoff style. That's why I like it. But here's this another Aldo one. A basic black bag for winter like this right now for work. Perfect. Alright, check out the belt department. $12.99. Oh, that's kind of cool one. This is a cool belt. Looking for like a thick belt like this, but with the leather backing.
Yeah.
These are cute. A lot of chains. Let me walk around.
Maybe even like the braided one.
Patricia Nash belt. Haven't seen that here.
Mm-hmm.
Steve Madden zebra.
$20 for
20 bucks.
That's pretty good.
15. It's kind of a cute belt. 15. And again, more of these. And the zebra one, Steve Madden. 10. I mean, that's cute too. Peas in a pod. These are 15. The jellyfish I know we've seen. That's 17. That's a cute one. It's a really large one. It's a cute ring. That's 15. 15. $12.99. This one's really cute and simple. 17. And we have this heart one. for 17. That's a really cute. That's gonna be 30. Look how cute that is. $20. There's some nice jewelry in here. Some of these are 20. I don't know which ones are 20. That butterfly one's cute. What if that's 20? Oh, 30. 30 for the butterfly. And these rings are cool too. $25 for the elephant. Haha, that's funny. Everything new. Collagen, you get 3 in here. Whipped tallow honey balm. Huh. This is $12.99. All natural creamer for your face, lips, and body. Okay, we have EOS. Look at that. Super balm. This one's for, oh gosh, I hate when it happens. Apple lip mask, $5. I'll pick that up. Plumping lip polish. We got the sugar. $12.99. That's a good brand. A lot of tea here. A lot of tea. Let me walk down here. Blow dryers, curling irons. Calvin Klein, these are cute. They're only $13 here if you find them. Alright, in the mugs. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Let's fly. Oh, that one's kind of cute. On Jumbo. This is $10. I'm with you always. And we have Winnie the Pooh. I like that. Cozy girl season, I wish. These are 8. These are 10. Huh. Alright, these are cool. They're only 17. The white pine smells pretty good. This one, the vanilla brulee, not so much. But they're 17. We pan in. Funny. Have the large bells and the bear. Is that a pair? Does it come together? No. They're cute. They might be 40 each. This one's 40, but I like this guy in the back. That's cute. Okay, more pumpkins. Turkey. Yeah, he's a cutie. It's 15, I know. 15. I want to get this candle. This one is by Martha Stewart. It's going to be 20. It does light up. The top's going to light up. Nutcrackers 20 for the blue one. Oh, look at this guy.
Oh, that's neat.
If I didn't move that, I didn't think it was going to be a bear on it. He's cute. He's $30. That is really cute. And we got Santa by Martha. That's a nice one. This one's only 20, not bad. By Martha. Nutcrackers, we've seen those at Home Goods. With the snowman couple, the family. Oh, okay. Let's find out how much they are. 20. Wow. This needs to be like 15. Look at this. Kind of giving me Hobby Lobby vibes. 15. See, look at, they recycled the ghost. See? Antlers and a Santa hat. They're dear. They're 10 bucks. And you have the dinosaur guy. He's 10 as well. Oh, 17. That's cute. They're doing a lot of bear stuff. Okay, this one's by Cupcake and Cashmere. Oh, look, see? There's the Santa ghost walking the dog. 17. It doesn't light up or anything or sing. Look at, let me move these. See, did you see the recycled ghost? Up here on top. And then this one, yeah, this one has Santa hat. And his antler dog. $12.99. I mean, hey, why not? Why not?
These are the 3 ghosts from Christmas Carol.
15. He's cool. I like this little mini one. $12.99. And then we have this bear. He's adorable. This adorable little guy. For 17. These are the nesting ones. $12.99. And these are candles. Look at that. Got like the barn house. 17. Cinnamon. Oh no. Oh, there's like wax on the outside of slipping. Look at this one. This one's 20. That's kind of cool. We have a reindeer one too. Oh, that's cool. I haven't seen this one. Oh. 15.
I know, it's raining in Arizona. The world is in.
That's kind of cool. Yeah, $12.99. Look at that. I know we've seen this one. These deers. These deers are pretty much plastic with like a gold coating paint. They're not heavy or anything. 15. Then you have the ones sitting down. They also have it in silver. $12.99. Yeah. 13. This one's actually kind of somewhat heavy, but they're plastic. Oh, she's new. I feel like you could find this in Kohl's. Kohl's has something like this, 25. Right?
Yeah, I think
Look
so.
at this, a moose.
I feel like Hobby Lobby has like...
I haven't seen those yet in Hobby Lobby. 13. Okay. They're all plastic. But don't sleep on Ross and Burlington. You could find metal ones, okay? Look at this one. Babe, did you see this one?
No.
$12.99.
I saw this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Doesn't it look like a...
It's the same.
Like a little handmade...
Handcrafted in Peru. Yeah. 20 back here. Then we have more Santas. I like this terracotta one.
I really want to get one of these.
Yeah.
I don't know which one I like more. I like this one a lot. This
But
one
if
right here.
I feel like we have something, I don't know.
I don't have anything like
God, I swear we did.
30.
10.
I like to eat that.
25. Little wood. It's heavy. Okay, just like Home Goods. But we don't have the tree over there. Gingerbread, same price. $150. How much are you tree? Okay, that's full of glitter. I'm not gonna turn it upside down. But they do have that. And their home decor. Okay. Look at you guys. I feel like when we get into the season more, I see this everywhere. It's disgusting. Disgusting. Employees have to pick it up. Sometimes they spill and it's not fair. I only say it's not fair because like my daughter works in a coffee shop and she says there's teens her age and they make a mess in the lobby. They throw napkins, they spill things and they don't wipe it and they just leave a whole mess on the floor like they're 2-year-olds. And she gets so mad because she has to pick that up. Okay, Halloween. Still going pretty strong here. Not on discount.
Which is surprising since Burlington's since Home Goods on this.
Yeah, Home Goods, they're putting their discount on.
I feel like they just kind of got theirs.
I like this
They
ghost
did.
guy.
Oh, he's neat. He's got a boombox.
Yeah.
It says boo.
I feel like it's kind of sad. You know, we're going to be in October and then I'm like, oh, Halloween. And you know what? I do feel like somebody who does like showing you the stores, it kind of does
Look at that one.
make me like sick of it. I know, does that sound weird?
Like we're around it all the time, so I'm like ready for Christmas now, and we haven't even hit Halloween.
No. There's a cute little snowman down there. Okay, here's all the fun stuff for children. Look at this capybara, like in a UFO. $5.99. Oh my gosh, you guys hear that they're saying there's like a big meteor or like UFO type of style thing coming our way?
Like every other summer, right?
Oh, it does light up. Okay. These are cute keychains. Again, stocking stuffers. Now, what are these called? These are not the Labubu's, but I know that's something going on. They kind of look like it. I mean, your kid could have it. They got squishies. So, yeah, anything cool like that, come to the kid department and save it for the season. Look at this one.
You know how everybody's putting Christmas out. I'm surprised they haven't cleared this
16.
area.
That's $16. Some of these I have not seen all summer. 16 from 20. It's cute. 16. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in TJ Maxx. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. I think this polka dot one's cute. Corduroy, we got the Wrangler.